What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to remove your fuel tank. You can start by undoing these 10 mils. Undo the connectors. If you haven't got a pair of these, buy them. If this happens, you can actually turn them around. Sometimes it works. 2 clips on this one. And then you'll have access to this 10 mil holding up the filler neck. Make sure your jack's set up. Now follow the straps and you should get 2 17 mils. 2 10 mils on the heat shield there though. I tried every single 17 mil to get to the one above the diff, and I didn't have a ratchet long spanner, so I had to use this. But I reckon ratchet long spanner 17 mil would probably be the easiest way to get to it. Once you have all of these, you should be good to go. Don't forget to pop the filler neck, lower it down a little bit, and then I just pop this little fuel line up just cause. Drop it down a little bit more, and then your last line right there, and drop it down. Voila.